Hi, online scholars. This is Professor Harmon here. Happy Monday. So congratulations, you survived Unit 1. You got through the regionalism time period. You learned how to annotate some texts. You really uncovered what it means to be a realist writer and create a regionalist text. So now, as we move from Unit 1, we are transitioning to Unit 2, which will take us into the heart of modernism, which is a whole new time period. Okay, so as you get a good idea of this time period, I want you to think about how modernism resulted in isolation and disillusionment. So what was going on, right? We had a World War II going on. We had many other issues going on in our world that resulted in a population that was disillusioned and melancholic and depressed. So take a look at the time period and really think about how this time period differs from the realist time period and how that time period has influenced and shaped the literature that we are reading. Okay, looking at your essential questions, make sure that you're able to answer these questions as you wrap up the unit. So as you're reading, as you're looking at Frost's poetry, as you're taking a look at William Carlos Williams and his imagist poetry, really ask yourself, what is the purpose? What's the rationale? What's the feeling? Look at structure. All right. Really get a sense for the time period though this week, and then that will lay the foundation for our further readings. So your job is really just to really get a good sense of the time period and also to start reading some notes on modernism and reading some background information about Frost. So you'll notice I linked the Norton Anthology course site. That's where I would like you to read. You can definitely read in volume D. There's some background information there, but you should set up your course username and password at the Norton Anthology course site. So I'm going to click on this link here and you'll see that it takes me to a plethora of notes and information. Okay, let's go back. If I click on reading the Making Connections section, more connections related to the 20th century, early 20th century. I want you to read all about Robert Frost. Okay, take a look at some of his poetry, take a look at some of the images, take a look at his biography. Won't take you that long. Then I want you to go over to our Unit 2 readings on the left. You'll click on the unit videos first if you want. Watch this video, okay? And then you're also going to click on Unit Readings on the left, and you're going to come to Unit 2, and I want you to take a look at the notes, okay? The notes provide some great thematic items that I want you to notice. Okay, important historical events that are going on. World War I and World War II. Thematic characteristics that you're going to notice throughout. All right, so this note sheet is really important. All right, so that's really it. There's no formal assignment except to read and take notes, get a good sense of the modernist time period, and then we will be using that information and applying it next week as we continue the readings. All right, any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great week.